If your PC is acting strange, showing pop-ups, running slow, or installing apps you don't remember downloading, there's a good chance you might be dealing with a virus or malicious software. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and effective steps to remove viruses from your PC and keep your apps safe. First, disconnect your PC from the internet. This helps stop the virus from spreading or sending your data to external servers. Next, restart your computer in safe mode. Safe mode runs only essential system programs, making it easier to detect and remove malicious software. To do this, restart your PC and press the appropriate key depending on your system, usually F8, Shift plus Restart, or through recovery settings. Once you're in safe mode, run a full system scan using a trusted antivirus program. If you already have one installed, update it first to make sure it can detect the latest threats. If not, install a reliable antivirus tool and perform a deep scan. This process may take some time, but it's important not to skip it. After the scan is complete, remove or quarantine any threats found. Follow the antivirus recommendations carefully. Now, check your installed applications. Go to your control panel or settings and review the list of installed apps. Uninstall anything suspicious or unfamiliar, especially apps you didn't intentionally install. If the issue is related to apps from a PC app store, open the store and check for updates. Sometimes malicious apps disguise themselves as legitimate ones. Remove any suspicious apps and only download from trusted developers. Next, clear your browser data. Viruses often come through malicious downloads or websites. Delete your cache, cookies, and browsing history to remove any hidden threats. You should also check your startup programs. Open Task Manager and disable unknown or unnecessary programs from launching at startup. This helps prevent malware from running automatically. Finally, keep your system updated. Install the latest Windows updates and security patches. This ensures your PC is protected against known vulnerabilities. To stay safe in the future, avoid downloading apps from unknown sources, always read user reviews, and keep your antivirus software active and updated. By following these steps, you can effectively remove viruses and keep your PC running smoothly. Stay safe and thanks for watching.